yeah. We are.
Did you introduce the title?
Nope.
Oh, this needs some poker chips.
And here is my glasses.
What are those 3Ds? Damn.
+3 swag.
Okay, it's the laser. It's the battery. Or a charger, and it's the battery. Also. Oh shit! You guys wanna see what the glass is? Yeah, it is. You guys can't see it from the glasses. Here are the lens. Each different ones. Oh, damn, hello bright. It's 1 watt, 45 nm. You want to try to? Oh, they're just like all of them, like the other ones. And I bet this is the spiral one. Watch. It's the spiral of it. Oh, yeah, I knew it. It's the spiral. And I think this one is the star. This one's the star? Let's check. Put it on. I think it's the star. Oh. Oh, it's the training. Yeah, it's for the training lens.
Holy shit.
What? Put on. Wait, is that training lens? Wait, is it training lens? I forgot. Oh, yeah, it's training lens. Shit's so fucking bright. Yeah, everything to me it's orange with the glasses. Huh? Alright, so I'm you go shining out the paper. And that's why I didn't want to let training lens on. You can still burn it with white paper. I don't know. But black paper is like on this. There you go. Yeah, still burns. But training lens like make it more weaker.